Have you ever stumbled over pronouncing Arc'teryx? Let's uncover how to say it correctly, along with the brand's unique story. Arc'teryx is pronounced Arc'teryx. This Canadian company specializes in technical outdoor wear and is based in North Vancouver. The name Arc'teryx comes from the Latin for Arctic bird, reflecting the brand's focus on high-performance gear designed to withstand extreme conditions. Despite its global presence, many struggle with pronouncing Arc'teryx. The T is silent, and the emphasis is on the second syllable. With over 25 audio pronunciations available online, you can easily practice saying Arc'teryx in various accents. To improve your pronunciation, record yourself and compare it with native speakers. Focus on the correct stress and silent letters. Understanding how to pronounce Arc'teryx not only helps you sound knowledgeable but also enhances your appreciation for their innovative designs. So, do you feel confident pronouncing Arc'teryx? Share how this knowledge impacts your perception of the brand in the comments.